Here are the answers for the 725 review. Asia and Emmy were riding their skateboards. They knew they could ride 3 miles in 20 minutes. How far can the girls ride in 45 minutes? So I wrote a proportion. One way to do it. So 3 over 20 equals x over 45. So 20x equals 135. Divide by 20. So I got x equals 6.75 miles. B, if y represents the distance in miles and x represents times in minutes, write an equation. So I did y equals, so if you did 3 divided by 20, you'd get 0.15. So it's 0.15x. Or you could have y equals 3 over 20x. Either one is correct. 82, Joe is downloading songs from the internet. He can download them at a rate of 8 songs for every 10 minutes. Jasmine is also downloading songs, can download at a rate of 12 songs every 15 minutes. Who's downloading faster? So we do 8 over 10, which is 0.8, and 12 over 15, which is also 0.8. And the answer is neither. They download at the same speed. 83, reflect quadrilateral ABCD across the line y equals -2. Write the new coordinates. Well, -2 is, the line is right here. If I were to reflect over that line, this would end up here. C would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. So the new A, or so the new B, new A, the new D, the new C. So the points would be at -2, -3. They would be at 2, -3. They would be at -1, -7. And they would have been at 3, -4. 84, complete the diamond problems. So remember that we multiply across to the top number, add to the bottom. So the bottom number is 3.9 in the first one. And the top is 3.6. 4.2 divided by 0.6 is 7. So I get 7.6 for that one. We subtract, so 11.1 minus 3.1 is going to give us 8. I multiply them together, I got 14.8. And in order to get -49 but 0, they have to be opposites. So I got -7 and +7. 785 in graph paper, graph the line that goes through the 2 points. What's the slope? So -6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, right there, and -3, -1. My line is right here. It's got a negative slope because it's going down, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, so it's -4 over 3. Got a little bit neater. Then it says, what's my minus of 1, 2, 3? It's -4. So then find the equation. Actually, I think my line might be a little off. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It actually should have been right here. So my last step would actually be -5. So my equation is y equals -4 over 3x minus 5. 86, Mr. Crow, the head groundskeeper at Tech High Middle School, mows the lawn alongside the gym. The lawn is rectangular. So if I draw a rectangle, and the length is 5 feet more than twice the width. So if this is my width, my length is 5 feet more than twice the width, so I get 2x plus 5. So x is going to stand for the width. And my equation is going to be 2 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6, 6x plus 10 equals 250. So part B says solve that equation. Check 10 from both sides. I get 6x equals 240. So I get x equals 40. That means my width is 40. And my length is double that plus 5. So that means that my width is 40 feet. And the length is 85. Because I do 40 times 2 plus 5. Then it says find the area. So I would do 40 times 85, which is 3,400 feet squared.